Welcome to the USGS Coastal and Marine Geology Program's Video and Photo Portal. The portal contains videos and photographs of the seafloor as well as imagery from coastal aerial surveys. On the main page, you have two options to explore the data. First, you can choose one of the regional views at the bottom of the page, Pacific, Atlantic, or Gulf Coast. The second way is to click Explore Data Layers, which brings you to the Data Catalog page. Let's click on one of the regional views, the Atlantic. Here you see videos and photos from two mapping programs, the Massachusetts Seafloor Mapping Program and the Hurricanes and Extreme Storms Project. These data are overlaid on the default base map, which is the Google Hybrid Map. You can zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons on the left. You can also draw your own extent by using box zoom, as you can see here. Moving your mouse wheel also zooms you in and out. To pan around the scene, you can click and hold the left mouse button and move around in any direction. At this scale, you can see that the video and photograph data are a series of points, which also show up in the legend. Red points are for video and blue points are for photographs. Generally, the video and photos are co-located, but there are some exceptions where only video or photos may exist. The legend has a couple of options. Minimize it by clicking the triangle at the top of the box. The I button will take you back to the catalog page. There you can get more detailed information about the data layer, including links to other published reports. The magnifying glass icon zooms you in or out to the full extent of that layer. The X removes layers from the portal view. Now let's look at some data. Hover the mouse over any of the videos or photo locations to get a pop-up preview of the image. Click on the points and the media player will pop up and play the video clip. If you click along the middle of the line, the video will start playing at that location. A white dot will march along the points to show you where you are. As you cross the location of a new still photograph, that photo will appear in the window as well, and it'll stay there until you cross another photo. At the top of the media player, you'll see the coordinates of where you chose to launch the imagery. Within the media player, you'll see some basic photo metadata, including latitude, longitude, date, and time the photograph was taken. Also at the top of the media player is a checkbox that says Sync Map with Media. When you check this box, the white dot tracking the current location will stay centered in the map view. Uncheck the box to move freely around the map view. To open the photo in a separate Google Plus album page, click here. On this page, you can view the high-resolution photo as well as some of the EXIF metadata. To open the video in YouTube, click here. On this page, you will also find additional information about how, where, and when the video was collected, as well as links to the research program that collected the video. Back at the portal window, check out the top right for several more options. Under Settings, you can change the base map layer to other choices, including NOAA nautical charts and other Google Map options. Under Layers, you can see the data layers that are currently loaded in your portal view. You can click the X to remove layers you don't want. Catalog brings you to the Data Catalog page where you can add more layers. If you're on the Data Catalog page, click on the Portal button to launch the portal view. That should get you started. To learn how to enter the portal through the Data Catalog, you can watch our next tutorial.